This is the easiest cherry cobbler I have ever made, and it tastes great. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees and melt 2 tablespoons of butter and put in a pan. I'm using a 9 by 12. The smaller the pan, the thicker your cobbler will be. And then in a bowl, mix together 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of milk. And this is going to be a thin batter. Just mix it well until you get most of the lumps out. You don't have to get all of them out, and it'll be just fine because it is a cobbler. So after you get that all mixed, just set it aside and grab your pan that you already have the butter melted in and have ready a can of cherry pie filling. This can is 15 ounces. Just spoon that into the pan as evenly as you can. You don't need to mix it in the butter. Just spoon it on top. And when you get all of that done and you're happy with that, just take your batter, pour it as evenly as possible over the cherry pie filling. And that's it. That's all you have to do. You're gonna stick this in the oven that's already preheated, and you'll check it, but you'll probably bake it between 20 and 25 minutes. Just check it, and when it's a golden brown on top, or as brown as you like it to be, then it's ready. I really wish I had some vanilla ice cream, but I don't, so I'm using Cool Whip. This is so good and so easy. Give it a try.